I, Hyder Ali Abbasi, HM of Ismail Abdullah Qureshi High School, Yogeshwari West, Mumbai. My question is Einstein theory of relativity and MehrajunnabiEnglish of Nabi in the light of glorious Quran.
Alhamdulillah. Very important Islamic as well as scientific question. Einstein's theory of relativity, time dilation, and MehrajunnabiEnglish, the ascension of beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Einstein, a famous scientist who got Nobel Prize in 1921 for photoelectric effect. He gave theory of relativity, which is interrelated with two theories. The number one is special theory of relativity, 1905, which talks about the interaction of elementary particles with all physical phenomena except gravity. And second, the general theory of relativity, space-time curve, and gravitational force. By Michelson-Morley experiment, it was known that the light travels through vacuum without any medium. Earlier it was thought that a luminiferous ether is required as a medium. Light travels with the speed of 3 × 10⁸ meter per second on 1,86,000 miles per second. The speed of light remains constant irrespective of any observer, and it is mentioned that if object moves with 1/10 the speed of light, the time dilation becomes important. If object moves with 50% the speed of light, the time becomes half. Whereas if object moves with the speed of light, time stops, time becomes 0. Thus, we know very well speed is equal to distance upon time. In order to keep speed constant, the time dilates as well as length contracts. Length contraction and time dilations are two sides of the same coin. In that case, it is mentioned that Einstein's special theory of relativity is applicable to inertial frames for relative motions with constant speed. Einstein said that as the time dilates at the speed of light, time stops, time becomes 0. Let us have a twin paradox. If there are two twins, one is on this planet Earth and another goes into space, supposing both of their age is 20 years. The one who is going in space with the speed of light, he spends 10 years according to Earth's time. When he comes back on the planet Earth, his other twin will be 20 plus 10, 30 years. Since he went with the speed of light, when he comes back, for him time will be 0 and he will be just 20 years. Means he will be feeling young as well as his brother who was on the planet Earth will be growing old. This twin paradox, the one who was on the earth will be showing aging, and the one who was in space there will be no effect of aging. It has been proved in 1971 by scientists using clocks. In that case, using atomic clocks, scientists have proved in 1971 that there is no aging effect on the person who was in space with the speed of light because their time became 0. Not only time becomes 0, but entire system, entire everything stops, it becomes zero. This is a wonderful example of time dilation. Einstein's theory of relativity, especially the special theory of relativity, since it is applicable for constant speed, he realized that his theory is not applicable for the universe, part of the universe where we are living. Therefore, he came out with the idea of general theory of relativity, the space-time curve, and he brought gravitational force in the picture. More is the mass, more will be the space-time curve, more will be the gravity, and more will be the time dilation. Scientists today, by using Einstein field equation, mathematically they have proved that there are two ideas through which object can move even faster than the speed of light. One is called wormhole theory and there is warp drag technique. According to wormhole, these wormholes are created because of the shortcut created by the space-time curve according to general theory of relativity. According to general theory of relativity, when there is a time-space curve, a shortcut is created. These shortcuts are known as wormholes. And it is mentioned, scientists have said, that it is not impossible that in the past, some generations, some developed civilizations might have traveled by wormhole. At this moment, no natural wormhole has been discovered, but scientists are positive in near future to come out. The second is warp drive technique. Warp drive technique is a technique in which the vehicle, the object, behind the object, the space is expanded with the speed of light and contracted from front side, thus expansion from back side and contraction from front side will be in such a way that without moving the object will reach to its destination where even before that the light cannot reach. It means one can travel faster than the speed of light. Thus, in short, the time dilation, length contraction, multiple speed of light can be beautifully understood in the light of Mehrajunnabi, the ascension of beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the journey of all seven heavens. It is in two parts. The first part of the journey is from the Masjid al-Haram, from Masjid al-Haram, that is Mecca, to Masjid al-Aqsa, that is Jerusalem. This journey was covered in a short span of time in a small part of night. Allah declares in the glorious Quran, chapter number 17, Surah Bani Israel, verse number 1. Subhanalladhi asra bi abdihi laylam min al-masjid al-haram ila al-masjid al-aqsa. Subhanalladhi asra bi abdihi laylam min al-masjid al-haram ila al-masjid al-aqsa. Glory be to Allah, the one who took his devotee in the part of night from Masjid al-Haram, that is Mecca, to Masjid al-Aqsa in Jerusalem. According to Book of Hadith, Bukhari, Muslim, Tirmidhi and Abu Dawud, the journey from Masjid al-Haram in Mecca to Masjid al-Aqsa in Jerusalem was done on a creature called Buraq, which was presented to beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam through Archangel Jibreel, peace be upon him. Buraq is plural of Barq. Barq stands for light. And Buraq, the plural of light, the multiplicity of light. The speed of Buraq was faster and faster the speed of light. Beloved Prophet said that one step of sight of the eye. It means that Burak was traveling very fast. And the journey of beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, celestial journey, ascension from Baitul Maqdis, that is Masjid Al-Aqsa, Jerusalem, to all the seven heavens and beyond that. It was done with the ladder of light. Imagine. The Prophet himself is called as a light in chapter number 53, verse number 1. Najm. Najm means star. And the entire journey, heavenly journey, from first heaven to all the seven heavens, is mentioned in the glorious Quran, Surah Najm, chapter number 53, verse number 1 to 18. وَالنَّجْمِ إِذَا هَوَى مَا ضَلَّ صَاحِبُكُمْ وَمَا غَوَى وَمَا يَنطِقُ عَنِ الْهَوَى إِنْ هُوَ إِلَّا وَحْيٌ يُوحَى عَلَّمَهُ شَدِيدُ الْقُوَى ذُو مِرَّةٍ فَاسْتَوَى وَهُوَ بِالْأُفُقِ الْأَعْلَى ثُمَّ دَنَا فَتَدَلَّى فَكَانَ قَابَ قَوْسَيْنِ أَوْ أَدْنَى فَأَوْحَى إِلَى عَبْدِهِ مَا أَوْحَى مَا كَذَبَ الْفُؤَادُ مَا رَأَى أَفَتُمَارُونَهُ عَلَى مَا يَرَى وَلَقَدْ رَآهُ نَزْلَةً أُخْرَى عِندَ سِدْرَةِ الْمُنتَهَى عِندَهَا جَنَّةُ الْمَأْوَى إِذْ يَغْشَى السِّدْرَةَ مَا يَغْشَى مَا زَاغَ الْبَصَرُ وَمَا طَغَى لَقَدْ رَأَى مِنْ آيَاتِ رَبِّهِ الْكُبْرَى وَالنَّجْمِ إِذَا هَوَى مَا ضَلَّ صَاحِبُكُمْ وَمَا غَوَى وَمَا يَنطِقُ عَنِ الْهَوَى إِنْ هُوَ إِلَّا وَحْيٌ يُوحَى عَلَّمَهُ شَدِيدُ الْقُوَى ذُو مِرَّةٍ فَاسْتَوَى وَهُوَ بِالْأُفُقِ الْأَعْلَى ثُمَّ دَنَا فَتَدَلَّى فَكَانَ قَابَ قَوْسَيْنِ أَوْ أَدْنَى. Here, glorious Quran is declaring beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam as Najm, a star with light. And chapter number 33, verse number 45-46. Again, beloved Prophet is called by Siraj and Munir, that is sun and moon. Ya ayyuhan nabiyyu inna arsalnaka shahidan wa mubashiran wa nadhira wa da'iyan ila Allahi bi'idhnihi wa sirajan munira. Here it is mentioned Siraj and Munir. In short, beloved Prophet was as a nur, light. The vehicle, creature was Burak, and the ladder of light means this travel was light traveling in light, nur traveling in nur. And excellent time dilation was so observed that time stopped and became zero, that when Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, from Masjid Al-Haram, from Mecca to Masjid Al-Aqsa, Jerusalem, and from there to all the seven heavens, and then coming back, entire journey was completed in such a short span of time that beloved Prophet's chain, which was oscillating, it remained oscillating. His bed, which was warm, it was warm. His bed, which was warm, it was still warm, indicating that time totally stopped. It got dilated in the light of glorious Quran and the Einstein theory of relativity. It can be well proved. The example of time dilation and length contraction, Allahu